Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm going to try to show you the effects of conditions around these small radios. This is my Tecsun PL-330, and one thing I noticed this morning, and I've noticed it before, is the effects of things around a radio, including your body and your hand, that can change reception. So we're going to try that right now. I've got it tuned in to 5.890, which is the Preacher Man in Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, I believe. It's either Nashville, or it's Lebanon, Tennessee. Good. So listen to the radio now. You don't hear hardly anything. We turn the volume up. Coming and going. Now watch what happens when I get my hand near the radio, or listen. It starts clearing it out. Now, I don't know if I can do this, but if I bring the radio close to my body, it gets even better. See if I can do that. See it? See it clear up? I hear it clear up? Now that signal, I tried to listen to it. Let me turn the volume down here. I tried listening to it with my SDR Play radio, the Duo, using my G5RV antenna. And I could not receive it any better this morning. It's 4:45 in the morning. Than I'm receiving it on this radio. So this radio is receiving it as good using its built-in little tiny telescopic antenna as my SDR using an outside antenna, which is a much better setup as far as reception. And the phenomenon of moving the radio, number one, putting my hand on it, and number two, moving the radio close to my body. I got the volume turned down. Now, the other thing I'm doing, of course, is moving it in the room. And the other thing I noticed is I have this computer turned on, that I've got the keyboard here. Watch what happens, or listen what happens when I bring the keyboard up. I was not doing it this time. Let me change the angle. No, it's not doing it this time. Now maybe that's not because it's not active. But a few minutes ago, I had the keyboard laying on my desk like that, and I was getting a lot of noise in this radio. It's not doing it now. Actually, it's killed the signal. I can't hear the station anymore. Now let me move the keyboard down out of the way. Now, the station is actually faded away. Putting the keyboard on the floor. Let me put my hand up near the radio again. I'll touch the antenna. Now, the signal is now way down in the mud. I don't hear it at all. Let me try moving it up by my body. Yep, I can't hear it at all. So we lost the signal. I could have, let's see if I mistuned it. Nope, still on the same frequency. That's the other thing, is it's very easy to mistune by just barely touching this dial. There is a lock button that will prevent anything changing even though you move the dial or hit a keypad or hit something on the keypad. It won't change. It locks out everything. But the main thing I wanted to show you, which unfortunately the station is gone, is the effect of, it could be several things. It could be the fact that I'm moving the radio, but it seems to be the capacitance of my body is acting probably as a ground. Let me turn this volume down. Acting as a ground, because the main thing I noticed is the signal went up some, but the noise level went down. So that's something to keep in mind. Probably if I'm using an external antenna with the ground and the shielded cable, there probably won't be that effect. Again, it was when I move this thing, there's a lot of variables. It's moving it away. Well, potentially it's moving it away from some of the things that are causing noise in my room, such as the monitors, the keyboards, the mice. Plus it's moving closer to my body and getting a higher capacitance, therefore probably acting as a better ground. I thought I'd just show you that. It's something that I've seen on other portable radios, like especially the ones that go right in the palm of your hand, like the PL-330. Same thing. That's it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me that I'm doing videos that you're interested in, because I don't want to waste your time. And have a great day. Bye-bye.